Hello students. In the previous video of operators in Python, we discussed about arithmetic operators in Python. Let us execute again. Enter the first number. Suppose I enter 12 here and 5 here. Sum is 17, difference is 7, multiplication is 60 and power is 12 raised to power 5, 248832. Remainder is 2 and quotient is 2. Let us execute again. One problem is there. Suppose I enter 12 here and 0 here. Now check the output. 0 division error or integer division or modulo by 0. This one is the error. To overcome this error, we can write if y is equal to 0, print division is not possible, else print. You can apply this content in the division block. Then x divided by y. It is similar to your C statement. You can apply try-catch block also. In exception handling, we will do this. Execute the program now. Suppose I write 12 and second value is 0. Division is not possible. In this way, you can control the error message. Suppose I write 12 and second is 3. The division is 4.0. First value is 13 and second is 7. You can print the decimal value 1.857 up to so on. You can control these decimals also by writing here round, then place comma to round off up to 2 places of decimal. 13 and 7. It means you can print the data up to 2 places of decimal or as per your requirement. If I write here 4, then I can place or I can print the data up to 4 points of decimal. The topic we are going to discuss today: assignment, operators in Python. Suppose I enter one value from the user. Then print entered value is, you can print here x. Execute the program. Let the first value is 3. If I write x plus equal to 5, print. Basically these are shorthand operators. X plus equal to 5, or you can write x is equal to x plus 5. X plus equal to 5. Enter first number. That first number is 12. Now the answer is entered value is 12, x plus equal to 5 or x is equal to x plus 5? The answer is 17. You can place colon here. 13, entered value is 13 and x plus equal to 5 or x is equal to x plus 5. It means 13 plus 5. Now the value is 18. Suppose I write x minus equal to 7, print, you can copy, Control V, here we can write minus 7, x is equal to x minus 7. Now print the value. Suppose I write 13 here. It means first time the value is 13 plus 5, that is 18, and next time 18 minus 7, the value is 11, because x is 18 now and 18 is equal to 18 minus 7, that is 11. Basically these are shorthand operators and these are the direct operations. If I write x star equal to 2, again print the value, x star equal to 2, it means x is equal to x multiply 2. Now execute again. Suppose I enter 7 here. Now the value is 7 plus 5, 12, then 12 minus 7, it's 5, then 5 multiplied 2, the value is 10. Suppose I write x equal to 3, then print in double quote x star star equal to 3. Or x is equal to x multiply x multiply x. It means x raised to power 3 basically. X multiply x multiply x. Now print the output. Suppose I write 13 here. Plus 5, 18, and second value 18 minus 7, 11, then 11 into 2, 22, then 22 raised to power 3, means 22 multiply 22 multiply 22. You can place column here. Suppose I write 6 here. The value is 6 plus 5, 11, then 11 minus 7, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and 8 raised to power 3, it's 512. Similarly, you can do division operation. X divided by then 2. Print you can copy paste, you can place division here 2. It means x is equal to x divided by 2, means half of the output. Suppose I write again 6 here. Now the value is 6 plus 5, 11, then 11 minus 7, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and 8 raised to power 3, 512, and 512 when divided by 2, it's 256. Hope you understand the content of assignment operators. Basically, these are the shorthand operators in C language, or we can say assignment operators. In the next video, I will discuss about conversion from decimal to binary, octal, and hexadecimal system. Thanks for watching my video.